Hey everybody, Sean here, and welcome to Revealing Truth. As most have already seen, Cebu has had its second largest earthquake ever just a couple of days ago, 6.9. And unfortunately, many have been found dead already. And you can see many more pictures online. You may remember Jacel. We did a fundraiser for her because she had a rare disease that was going to lead to having her foot amputated if she didn't get part of her foot removed to stop the spread of the infection. She needed 1 million pesos to do this, and with the help of you and others, she was provided with the full amount in only 24 hours. And now her foot is better and she can function normally again. Well, in reflection of what's happened here in Cebu, Jacel has been trying to pay it forward, so to speak, and has been raising money to help those that were really affected by this. She's raised 11,000 pesos or $200 on her own to help them with food and water, but I suggested making a GoFundMe account so that I could hopefully get some other support for her. And this is the page she has. And money will go towards food, water, tents, sleeping mats, and hygiene kits. And they're doing outreach now to find out which areas need it the most and will be helping many throughout Greater Cebu, even up to Bogo that was hit the hardest. Their campaign story reads, Cebu Strong in Christ, bringing relief and the gospel to earthquake survivors in the wake of the strong earthquake that struck northern Cebu. Many families in the mountain areas are now left without safe shelter. Countless people are sleeping outside their homes, fearful of aftershocks, with very little access to clean water, food, and other essentials. Mothers, fathers, and children are enduring sleepless nights under the open sky, uncertain about what tomorrow may bring. But even in the middle of this tragedy, we believe God is calling us to be his hands and feet. More than just bringing physical relief, this is a chance to share the greatest hope we have, Jesus Christ. Through this fundraising effort, we aim to provide essential relief goods such as water, rice, canned food, and hygiene kits, temporary shelter support like tarpaulins, mats, and blankets, encouragement and prayer for those who are hurting and afraid, evangelism and discipleship so that families may come to know the peace and salvation found only in Jesus. In times of disaster, people often ask, where is hope? Where is safety? The true answer is found not in buildings or possessions, but in Jesus, our solid rock. By extending help and showing compassion, we want the survivors to see Jesus through us. Your giving will not only provide for urgent needs, it will also open the door for the gospel to be preached to those who may have never heard or truly known him. Together we can meet both physical and spiritual hunger. Join us in this mission. Every donation, big or small, becomes a testimony of Jesus' love. In helping rebuild lives, we are also building faith. Let's remind our brothers and sisters in Cebu that even when the earth shakes, our God remains unshaken. I love the verse they quoted before. Whoever is generous to the poor lends to the Lord, and he will repay him for his deed. Anyhow, if you can spare $5, $10, or $20, it goes a long way in the Philippines towards helping others. And if not, that's okay. Your prayers are powerful when we serve such an awesome God. I'll leave a link under the description, and may God bless you as you give and as you pray for the people in this situation.